everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Charlene Kempson, mommy to 4 boys, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a Home Bargains and a Poundland haul. I am so excited about this haul because I have had my eye on something that I've seen in other people's haul. The thumbnail will have given it away for absolutely ages, but I've not been able to get one in my Home Bargains because it's so tiny. I'm going to show you that at the end, but if you like these kinds of videos, then please do stick around, give it a thumbs up for me, and do hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be doing loads more in 2019, but let's just get on with it. I've got so much stuff to show you, I'm really excited. So the first thing, I'm going to go through the Poundland stuff first. The first thing I grabbed was this little soap dispenser. It's croc, it's ribbed, it's grey. It's got a plastic nozzle, which I really liked because it's not going to rust. I've had a few that have got like metal tops and they do rust over time. But I'm not actually going to put soap in this. I'm actually going to be putting hand sanitizer in it. It was a hack that I saw on Emily Norris's channel, who I absolutely love. She's one of my favourite YouTubers, YouTube and vlogging mummies, and I just thought it was a brilliant idea. So you fill it with hand sanitizer, and as a mum of 4 boys, I don't know if they have washed their hands properly. I send them up before dinner, I don't know if they have. So just as a double backup, I'm going to keep this either on the dining table or on the kitchen worktop so I can squirt their hands and make sure that they're nice and clean before they eat their dinner. So that's the first thing I got. The second thing I got, which just popped open, was a big pack of popcorn, just the sort that you put in the microwave because we have a movie night on a Friday night, and I just got the sweet one. There's 5 packs in there. Then I've got these, which I've already cut down because I just wanted to see if they'd fit. But I've got a vase in my bathroom, a square vase, and I wanted something in there. So I thought these for £1. They're like little peonies, little cream peonies out of the wedding section in the pound shop. I thought they were really pretty and they'll do exactly what I need them to do just for in the bathroom, just to add a little bit of greenery and like prettiness. The next thing that I got was 2 of these messy mats. Now I don't know how big they are, but one is for, we're actually starting to potty train Zachary now. We've been doing it gradually. He is almost 3, but he just wasn't ready. I tried so hard when he turned 2 and he just wasn't ready. So I've waited with all the boys to kind of wait for them to start telling me that they want to take their nappy off, that they want to use the toilet, and the time is finally here. He's so ready now. So I've grabbed one for when we're doing arts and crafts. It's just got like it's just grey plastic with a chevron pattern on, and then one to put under his potty because we've got laminate floorings. So when we're downstairs, I'll just put this underneath his potty so that I can keep the floors like free from splashes and splatters and any accidents as he's heading to the potty, and it's something that I can just wipe over really quickly. That's the plan anyway. I'll let you know how it works. Then I've got some slow cooker liners, which I now know these are actually cheaper in Home Bargains. Obviously these are £1 in the pound shop. They are 69p in Home Bargains. You get 5 bags in there. I know there's mixed reviews about people using liners, but my pot, I just find it really hard to get clean, so I thought I'll give them a go. And then I picked up 2 of the getting in a tangle, the Jo Malone dupe candles. I mean, obviously they're not as highly fragranced as the Jo Malone ones. They are a complete dupe. They're to go on my windowsill in my living room. I have cracked them open to give them a smell. This is the pomegranate one, but they do smell quite strong. It's absolutely beautiful though. Look, it's such a good little dupe, and for £1 you can't really moan at that, can you? And then this one is the currant and oak wood. Now I wasn't sure I was going to like this because I don't really like musky smells and that kind of thing, but it smells really good. Really, really good. So they're going to go on my windowsill in the living room. Then I picked up 2 of these little succulent plants. These are to go on my, things all stuck all over them. These are to go on my, I've got like a wire 3-tiered fruit stand thing in my kitchen, and I just want to put those on there because I have got succulents in the windowsill, but I just wanted something else on that stand so when the fruit goes, there's something else on there, because once we eat all the fruit it looks really empty. That sounds really silly, doesn't it? But I just wanted something on there to sort of fill it up when it isn't filled with fruit. So I got 2 of those. They're really good quality as well. I really like them. Then I've got some craft sticks. Zach loves these when we're just doing crafts, arts and crafts and things. He like sticks them down. And I've also seen a thing where you write words on there, and there were the bigger ones though, but these are the only ones that I could find. But you write words on there, and then we've got a magnetic letterboard, and then they copy the letters onto the letterboard. So that's something that I want to try with Zach and with Chase while they're trying to learn their little letters and reading and stuff. I've got bin bags, not really that exciting. I'm a bit of a bin bag snob, to be honest. I like ones that don't rip, but we've literally got no bin bags at the minute, so I needed to grab something. And then I've got 2 more of these baskets, which I love. I absolutely love these baskets. They've been in all of my Poundland hauls for the last like month or so. They've got the little handles on. They're great for in Zach's toy box because he can lift them out, and yeah, so I've got 2 more of those. So that was everything from Poundland. So I'll now show you what I got from Home Bargains. So as I mentioned earlier, Zach is actually potty training at the moment, and he keeps wanting, after having 4 brothers, he wants to use the big boy toilet, but I threw away the training seat. So we went into Home Bargains today and I let him choose whichever training seat he wanted because he wants to use the big boy toilet, and he chose the Peppa Pig one. This was $4.99, which, pardon me, sorry. This was $4.99, so I didn't think that was too bad. He absolutely loves Peppa Pig, so for him that was just like the best thing ever. He was like, I want the Peppa Pig one. So we'll see how we get on with that for when he uses the big boy toilet. Then the next thing I got, you're actually propped up on one of these at the moment in my camera. I got 2 of these boxes. These were 99p, and these are for the boys. They're doing a food like after school club, and they've got to take a box to put whatever it is they make in there, like a cooking club. So they've got to take a box, and then so I've got 2 of those. You're propped up on one, and then I've got this one, and then I've got 2 of these aprons. Now I think these are going to be really big on them, but we've had to get aprons. So I'm actually going to open this up and have a look how big it is, because I might be able to cut it down and sew it, but I've actually got to take these to school today. That's how organised I am. Oh no, I think they'll be okay. They're not that big, but they are the kind of oilcloth, white clean, polka dot. I thought, can't really go wrong. They were $3.99. So I got 2 of those so that they've got 1 each. So I will use my label machine in a bit and I'll put their names on those and take those to school with them. Then just a few cleaning bits and pieces that I grabbed from Home Bargains. I grabbed a big hand sanitizer. This was 99p. That's to fill up the jar. I'll let you know how that goes. Then I grabbed some washing bags because I needed these. They're like the little mesh bags. These were 99p, you get 3 in there, I think. Yep, 1 large, 1 medium and 1 small. They're just to put in like socks, bras, that kind of thing, just so that I can separate everything up. Don't lose socks, and it keeps your bras in a better shape or something. I don't know, but I thought I'd give them a go anyway. They finally got pink stuff back in. This was 89p, there was tons of it as soon as I walked in the shop. So I was like, yes, I need some. And I'm gonna use that to clean around the sinks upstairs and around the plugs and that kind of thing. And I've got so many places I want to give it a go. If you use pink stuff, give me some recommendations in the comments of where you use it and how you use it, because this is the first time I've managed to get my hands on it, but I've seen people using it and I wanted to give it a go. So I got that. I grabbed another Pine Disinfectant. It's just the Star Drops one. It's 79p, and it's the 4-in-1 disinfectant spray. I use this, obviously, like I say, I'm potty training at the moment. So going into the rest of this year, I do want to stop using as many chemicals in the house as I can. Sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I want to use less chemicals, but while I am potty training, I do want to make sure that the area that I'm potty training him in is disinfected. So I've got another one of those. Rubber gloves, 59p, bargain. All the boys have got really sore lips at the moment, so I just picked up a little Vaseline pop. This is the Lulu Guinness original. It's like one of the limited edition little pops. It was 79p. It's just your normal Vaseline because I don't think they'd appreciate the pink one. So I've got that one. So I grabbed these. These are the Wickford and Co melts. I've already cracked them open and popped some in my burner. I absolutely love these. They go in my little wax burner, scented wax melts. They smell really, really strong and they are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. It smells beautiful. I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It just fills the whole house. I absolutely love it. So I've got some more of those. And then when I was in that section, I actually saw they have got these now, and I think this is $1.99, and it is the Pink Rhubarb and Pear Diffuser, which I'm going to put in my hallway. And then, again, another thing, I've actually filled this up and started drinking from it because I was so excited when I got home. I grabbed one of these. It's the kind of water bottle that's got the amount you need to drink by on the side, so it's like the Hydrate Mate kind of ones, but it was only £2.49, and it's got like 8, 9, 10 all the way down, and then it says time to refill when you get to 12 o'clock, and then 2 all the way through to 6, just so that you're having your water intake. I don't like water, I've got squash, but it's just so that you're having your water intake and so that you're like staying hydrated, which I do want to be much more sort of conscious of that this year. So yeah, giving that a go. Oh, I've got something sticky all on my jeans. I don't know if you can see that. We've been to soft play this morning. There's something sticky all on my jeans. Lush. Then I got a LED bulb for our bedroom because the bulb in our bedroom is literally on its way out. It was meant to last for 15 years, but now it's literally like you might as well not even turn the light on. So I've grabbed this one. I'm hoping it fits. I don't even know if it's the right sort, but it says that it lasts for 25 years. So I was like, yep, I'm all over that. And that was $2.99, so we'll give that a go. And then, the best two things I have saved until last to show you. So this is one of the big Wickford and Co candles. I absolutely love the Wickford and Co candles. I just think they are amazing. Like the wax melt, they are amazing. They are like the Yankee Candle ones. This one is the vanilla and cashmere, which I just think smells absolutely incredible. Oh, it just smells so good, and I'm actually going to put this on my dining table. It just smells amazing. So, and they last absolutely ages. I think it says 90 hours burn time on them. Have I made that up in my head? Not yet, no, there. Burns up to 95 hours. So that is a really, really good. For $2.99, I just think they're brilliant. And they do all the different fragrances. They do the pink rhubarb and pear, and in my bathroom I've got one that smells just like, I got it last year but I'm hoping they'll bring it back for the summer, Bahama Breeze. It smells like Bahama Breeze by Yankee Candle, but I think it's called like Paradise Ocean or something like that. It smells amazing. I love it when I'm in the bath. So I've got these dotted all over the house, but give them a whirl if you haven't tried them before. And then last but by no means least, I've spent the last of my Christmas money on this. I couldn't believe it. When I saw these in a few hauls, I thought there's absolutely no way they're gonna have these in my Home Bargains, but they did. So it's a big chunky knit throw. It is so, so soft. It's absolutely beautiful. They had it in this grey, they had it in like this sort of dusky pink, or they had them in cream stroke white. And I couldn't decide what I wanted. I didn't know whether I wanted the pink one to go in here, but then I thought maybe that would be too much pink. But I went for grey, and I'm going to have it in the bedroom on the bottom of the bed. It is super soft. It does say on there that it is hand, I've got it back to front. It does say on there that it is hand wash only. So it's a hand knitted throw. It's hand knitted, I didn't know that. It's hand knitted throw. It's 120 centimetres by 150 centimetres, so it's quite big. It will go across the bottom of the double bed, and I'm just so pleased. It's so soft. It's just so pretty. I love it. So yeah, so it's just so soft and gorgeous, but it does say hand wash only. So I've seen a few people that have bought them say like it is just going to be for display. I don't really know where I would put it away from the children, because other than in our bedroom at the bottom of the bed, because I just don't trust them with it. So it's something special for me, which I can snuggle into when I'm watching Netflix and I'm just sat in the bed upstairs, and it'll look really pretty. But I think it was $25.99, and I think for that price it is really good value for money. So I will put a picture up on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then do go over. It's just at Charlene Clemson. I will put a picture up on there of this on the bottom of the bed once I've made it all up and it looks all nice. So I hope you've enjoyed this haul. It was quite a lot of stuff, but like I say, I do only go once a month, and I needed things for potty training and that kind of thing. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and do subscribe for more videos like this and vlogs, lifestyle things, and some more sort of sit down videos I'm going to be doing in the near future as well. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.